In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have your Zoho Books account connected to Stripe so customers can pay invoices online with cards or wallets, and payments can sync back automatically. Before you begin, make sure you have admin access to Zoho Books and a Stripe account. If you don't already have one, you'll be able to create it during the setup flow, so keep your business details handy. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, open the settings by clicking the gear icon, typically found near the top right corner. This takes you to the settings area where you manage payments, taxes, templates, and more. We're focusing on payments, so look for online payments. That's where Zoho Books lists the gateways it can connect to. Within online payments, choose customer payments. This page displays the available gateways for collecting money from customers. Look for the Stripe option. It usually appears as a tile with the Stripe logo, and click Set Up Now. This begins the secure authorization flow. At this point, Zoho Books will redirect you to Stripe's Connect page. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in and authorize Zoho Books to access it. If you're new to Stripe, you can create an account right there by entering your company information and banking details. Follow the prompts carefully and complete all required fields. Stripe may ask for verification depending on your region. When authorization is successful, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Books, and Stripe will appear as connected in your customer payments list. A quick tip about modes. Stripe offers test mode and live mode. Test mode is great for dry runs, but won't move real money. Make sure you switch to live mode when you're ready to accept actual payments. Also, consider your supported currencies and country settings. Stripe availability and payment methods can vary based on where your business is located and what currencies you invoice in. From here on, invoices you send from Zoho Books can include a Pay Now button. Your customers can settle their bills with major cards and supported wallets, and the payment status will update automatically in Zoho Books once Stripe confirms the charge. Fees are handled by Stripe, so review Stripe's pricing to understand transaction costs. If you don't see Stripe listed, double-check your organization's region support and your user permissions in Zoho Books. If the authorization page doesn't load, try an incognito window or disable pop-up blockers temporarily. That's it. You've linked Stripe to Zoho Books and are ready to collect payments smoothly and securely.